Welcome back to the Life Science Coach. I'm Dr. Prashant V.Sc, and today we're looking at the phylum that outnumbers every other animal group on Earth. It's called Arthropoda, the largest, most diverse, and most successful phylum in the animal kingdom. Arthropods are animals with segmented bodies, jointed appendages, and a tough external covering called an exoskeleton. This exoskeleton provides protection, prevents water loss, and acts as a framework for muscles, allowing powerful and efficient movement. To grow, arthropods must periodically shed this rigid covering in a process known as molting. From the ants in your garden to the butterflies overhead, and from the crabs along the shoreline to spiders hidden in the corners of your home, this single phylum shapes life in almost every ecosystem on Earth. More than 80% of all described animal species belong to Arthropoda, making them one of evolution's greatest success stories. Spiders and their relatives belong to class Arachnida, a fascinating group of animals that have conquered land as highly efficient predators. The giants of this class, such as tarantulas, are hairy, powerful, and despite their fearsome appearance, surprisingly gentle toward humans. Their close relatives, the scorpions, have survived for over 400 million years, predating the dinosaurs and changing very little throughout evolutionary history. Their remarkable body design has stood the test of time. Hermit crabs, although belonging to a different arthropod group, demonstrate another ingenious survival strategy by occupying empty snail shells instead of producing their own protective covering. Pollinators like the honeybee play an equally vital role, transferring pollen from flower to flower and supporting the reproduction of countless plant species, including many crops humans depend on for food. Ant colonies are another marvel of nature, with thousands, or even millions, of workers coordinating their activities using chemical signals called pheromones. There is no central leader or commanding ant. Instead, the colony functions through collective behavior and simple communication rules. And perhaps one of the most extraordinary biological materials ever discovered is spider silk, a fiber stronger than steel of the same weight, yet remarkably flexible, inspiring modern research into advanced materials and medical applications. Let's start with class Insecta, the insects. They are by far the largest class within Arthropoda, making up more than half of all known animal species. Their success comes from their lightweight exoskeleton, wings in many species, rapid reproduction, and incredible adaptability. Insects occupy almost every habitat except the deepest oceans. Fire ants construct colonies of astonishing complexity, complete with specialized workers, soldiers, queens, and nursery chambers, functioning almost like a living city beneath the soil. The monarch butterfly demonstrates one of nature's most spectacular life cycles through complete metamorphosis. Beginning as an egg, it hatches into a caterpillar devoted almost entirely to feeding, then transforms inside a chrysalis where its body is completely reorganized before emerging as a winged adult capable of long-distance migration. Beetles represent the single largest order of insects, with over 400,000 described species, and scientists continue discovering new ones every year. They have evolved to occupy nearly every ecological niche imaginable, from decomposers and predators to herbivores and pollinators. Stick insects take camouflage to extraordinary levels, perfectly resembling twigs and branches. Some species even sway gently in the wind, making their disguise so convincing that predators often fail to detect them. Now to class Arachnida, animals with 8 legs, 2 main body segments, no antennae, and no wings. Unlike insects, arachnids rely entirely on walking or climbing to capture prey. Most are carnivorous predators that play an essential role in controlling insect populations. Orb-weaver spiders are remarkable natural engineers, spinning intricate circular webs with astonishing geometric precision. Different silk threads serve different purposes. Some provide structural support while others are coated with sticky droplets to capture flying insects. Scorpions use venom-tipped tails to subdue prey, but they also possess highly sensitive sensory hairs that detect even the faintest ground vibrations. These adaptations allow them to hunt efficiently in complete darkness while conserving energy in harsh desert environments. Subphylum Crustacea takes us beneath the water's surface, where crabs, shrimp, lobsters, prawns, and countless microscopic relatives dominate aquatic ecosystems. Most crustaceans live in marine environments, although many have successfully adapted to freshwater and even land. Shrimp possess 2 pairs of antennae, which help them detect food, predators, and environmental changes. They form a crucial link in aquatic food chains, serving both as active predators of tiny organisms and as prey for fish, birds, and marine mammals. Crabs have evolved powerful claws for defense, feeding, and communication, while many species display remarkable parental care by protecting their eggs until they hatch. Unlike insects, the The exoskeletons of crustaceans are strengthened with calcium carbonate, making them harder and more durable for life in aquatic habitats. Class Myriapoda literally means many feet, and includes millipedes and centipedes. Millipedes possess 2 pairs of legs on most body segments, allowing them to move slowly but steadily through soil and leaf litter. Rather than hunting, they feed primarily on decaying leaves, wood, and other organic matter, making them essential decomposers that recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. When threatened, many millipedes curl into a tight spiral and release defensive chemicals to discourage predators. Their close relatives, the centipedes, have only 1 pair of legs per body segment and are agile predators equipped with venomous claws used to capture insects, spiders, and other small animals. Together, these 2 groups play an important role in maintaining healthy soil ecosystems by balancing decomposition and predation. From your backyard garden to dense tropical forests, from mountain peaks to the deepest ocean floor, arthropods have perfected the blueprint for survival. They pollinate crops, decompose organic matter, control pest populations, aerate the soil, recycle nutrients, and provide food for countless other animals. Their extraordinary diversity, resilience, and evolutionary success make them one of the most important groups of organisms on our planet. If this helped you understand the incredible world of arthropods, subscribe to the Life Science Coach for more engaging deep dives into zoology, evolution, and the amazing diversity of life.